Angelo Perez Buenavista, Ginoong Amazing Stadium!
Angelo P. Buenavista, proudly representing Amazing Stadium.
And this year's best in closed-door interview is Ginoo number. And baka naririnig ko na yung number niya dito sa harapan. Congratulations, Ginoo number 7! Ginoo number 7! How can government disaster responsible be improved to better protect citizens during natural calamities?
I think first we have to get our funds right because there are a lot of corruption happening right now with our risk reduction when it comes to our natural calamities. And so we need more stringent things to be able to get our funds right so that our people would not be able to have casualties during these calamities. And so I believe that the government has a huge factor on this, our leaders, and so we need to keep them accountable and transparent in these funds. And so I believe that would trickle down into having better natural risk reduction. Thank you. One month ago, I went through a severe ankle sprain injury. 2 weeks after that, a motorcycle accident. I couldn't walk, I couldn't even stand. But I was reminded that I have to recover fast because I'm not only doing this for myself, but I stand a purpose. And so, I've always believed that a true king is not someone who is a king in chess. He only sacrifices other pieces for his own advancement and protection. But a true king stands for his people, by his people, and with his people. And with this, I am very much ready, Barangay Kalupang, to be your new Ginoong Kalupang, because I am very glad as well when Kagawad Bisnar told us one rehearsal that there is going to be an establishment of the Ginoong Kalupang Foundation. And I'm very happy with that because we will be able to sustain the things that we're fighting for. Because we also have things that we're passionate about, and I am more than ready to be your king. Thank you.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Our new Ginoo Kalupang 2026 is Ginoo number. Isigaw niyo!